Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're going to set up a timed access level. By using this feature, it allows timed control to a door or area. In this example, we will create a time schedule for users to only have access during working hours. However, other users will have full unrestricted access to the area. Let's switch over to the software now and we can start configuring. Okay, I'm in the Progeny Doors software. So what we're going to do is create a time zone, create an access level, and then we're going to do two things. We're going to change somebody's access level in an existing card on the system, and we're also going to add a new user, so you see both ways of doing it. So let's go to our site, ADI, and then you can see here we have the option for time zones, and we're going to add a new time zone. We'll give it a name, so we'll call it staff time. And then we'll say add it. It's Monday through to Friday. Let's not bother with Saturday or Sunday. Change your time here to suit. I'm happy with that time. Click OK, and then OK again. So now we have a time zone staff time. So when we apply that rule to people, they can only get in a particular door or set of doors between 9 and 5. Next, we need to go to access levels, add a new access level, and we'll call this day staff. Allow, we need to apply the time zone this is applicable to. So we're going to say staff time. Which doors? As you can see, I've only got the one door on mine. I've only got this single door controller. And then click apply. So if we had multiple doors, you could select which doors you want to allow access to. As I say, I've only got the one. Click apply and OK to that. So now I can go to an existing card. So let's go to an existing card, card filters, and have a look at all the cards I've got here. And these are all the devices and cards and tokens I've got on the system already. Which card do I got? I have got a CS demo. We've got this card here. So at the moment, this is in a time zone of ADI and all doors. If I go here, I can change it to day staff, remove all doors, click OK, and apply. That card, which is CS demo, has only got access between 9 and 5 through that single door I chose. As I say, if I had multiple doors, that's how you would have done it. So how do we add a new user to the system and apply that rule? So we're going to add a new card. So that brings up the enrollment window, the card ID number. If you're using Progeny cards, you can use the numbers which are stamped on the card. I'm using HID here. Now I can actually use a number on the card, but I'm just going to present the card to the reader, the local reader. There you go, it comes up with a number. Apply. So there's the card number. Give it the name, ADI. Time, it's enabled. What access levels? And then we can choose the access level we want to give it. All doors means just that it's available in all doors 24/7. Or day staff. This is the one we just created. So day staff will give you access, if you remember, through my door, which I called Wi-Fi. I'm using a Wi-Fi controller here. And the time zone that was applied was the general time zone, sorry, the staff time zone, 9 till 5. So once this person's enrolled in, they can only get into that particular door at that particular time. And there we are. That's how you apply access levels and time zones to a user in the Progeny Doors software. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.